Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a short video about our introduction. So I'm just starting a page where I will publish daily reels about daily shorts about WordPress, how you can earn through websites, and many aspects about WordPress and websites. So let's start the introduction video. कि आप एक वेबसाइट के जरिए कैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं, कौन से मेथड्स हैं, and how you can create a website, how you can set up a website, and how you can grow the website to earn well. Which tools are important, ऐसे tools जो आपकी हेल्प करेंगे वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट को हैंडल करने में, यूज़ करने में, और ऐसी काफ़ी सी चीज़ें. So follow us for now and continue with us. Inshallah, I will upload daily reels about WordPress, each and everything. Inshallah, I will start a short course about WordPress and how you can earn through websites. So follow us right now and stay connected. Thank you so much.